Hi, friends. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, Jesus said. So has God been persecuted? Yes. The cross was a tremendous act of persecution, but persecution against God began millennia earlier with the repeated slaughter of his righteous character and reputation. Do you know why Moses was barred from entering into the promised land after delivering the Israelites out of slavery? God said it was because Moses believed me not to sanctify me in the eyes of the children of Israel. To sanctify means to set apart. God is saying Moses failed to set him apart from all the false and lion-like gods of the ancient Near East. He was often portrayed by Moses to be a bloodthirsty, vengeful, and prideful deity. Make no mistake about it, God considered this to be persecution against his own righteousness. Godspeed, my friends. Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, he's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.